Let's start over. Okay, take two. Because bitches, she over here socialite. So, once again, what's up? It's your girl Sada and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am doing an unboxing video. Complimentary drink in hand. This unboxing video, who are you looking at? See, I'm not doing no more videos with this bitch on the side, guys. Okay. So today's video is an unboxing video and it's hair products. I'm really excited about it because what had happened was I was on Instagram just scrolling away. I follow a company called The Mane Choice. Now, if you haven't heard of The Mane Choice, well, I don't know what the fuck to tell you, but look it up because it's dope. They make really good hair products. They sound like Walmart, Target, Sally's. And it is, I mean, they're literally amazing products. I think that the woman who owns it, her on Instagram is The Real J Buddy. And she's friends with Super Scent, who owns the crayon case. So for all my makeup gurus out there, you guys already know Super Scent, the crayon case, went crazy. It's amazing. She has wonderful products. So I was on Instagram and I've been following her for forever. I bought a couple of her products before and I've used them on my son's hair, on my hair, and I really love them. And so there was like literally a random post on Instagram one day. I was scrolling and it was like, hey, like this is only going to be up for a short time, but basically if you support their products, and you use their products, then go leave some reviews on either Sally's website, Sally Beauty website, or on the Target website, and then you would get to pick a free product of your choice. So yuck. Sorry guys, I had to burp. So I basically left 4 reviews on Sally Beauty's website about products I had used before from The Mane Choice, and then I emailed my reviews to The Mane Choice, the reviews that the email that they put up there. And from there, I was just kind of waiting because I guess they were going to select certain people to receive product or not to receive product. So boom, long story short, I get an email from them that's like, hey, like, thank you for the reviews or whatever. You can choose 4 free products. 4, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. Full-size free products. Now, if you guys are familiar with The Mane Choice, you know that their products are over $10 a piece. So, like, I mean, like, between, like, $13, $18 type of products. So, this is amazing. And so, I selected my 4 free products that they gave me a list of options out of products to choose from. And then, from then, I just kind of played the waiting game. I wasn't sure. And then, after that, I received an email with a tracking number. And I was like, okay. And then I came home from work one day and I had a box. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. This is it. It came in priority mail, okay, today, because she got money. So shout out to her. And I crossed out my address so you guys can't see it. But as you guys can see, it came from The Mane Choice, okay, which is in Huntsville, Alabama. So we are going to do an unboxing today of the products that I received from The Mane Choice, and then at some point later I will give you guys a review on how I love these products or what's up with the products and how they worked for my specific hair type and for Marc Anthony's hair type, and also for my sister, because my sister has a lot looser curl pattern than I do. I would say I have like 4B hair and my sister probably has like 3C hair. So I'll let you guys know how these products work and what I think about them. So let's get to opening it up. And I probably don't have shit in this fucking room to open up a product, so. All right, don't judge me because all I could find was a screwdriver without getting up out of my chair. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. I'm gonna just like slice it down the middle. Oof. Please don't hurt yourself. I know. My sister's just gonna hurt myself. Anybody knows, well, you guys don't know me that well, but I'm a fucking clumsy bitch and I constantly hurt myself, so. All right, so first, opening up this box, we are filled with lots of this little popcorn stuff, so we're going to shake all this shit out and get to the goods. So first product inside of here, show you guys so you guys can see it. Okay, so this product is The Mane Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier 5-Minute Reviving Mask. So it says helps to support natural growth and retention. Ready, set, curl. Revives dull, lifeless curls in 5 minutes, strengthens and greatly improves elasticity, delivers longer lasting luster and shine, perfect balance of clarification, moisture, and hydration, enhanced with antioxidants to minimize potentially damaging oxidizing agents, renders a beautiful texture while enhancing curls, lightweight and anti-frizz, formulated, deeply conditions, and protects against split ends. And it says that it's for curly, wavy, and kinky hair. So y'all want to see this? And it has all that information on the front, which I actually really like, because I feel like that's really good, that it just kind of gives you all the deets, like the rundown in the front, and you don't have to look at the back. And it says curly, wavy, and kinky hair. This is 8 fluid ounces, and it's infused with biotin and vitamin D and E. So it says beauty, health, and science. No mineral oil, no petroleum, no parabens, no sulfates, and no formaldehydes. Pink lemonade and coconut 5-minute reviving mask is formulated to deeply penetrate the hair shaft to infuse it with high-quality vitamins, nutrients, and moisture. This 5-minute reviving mask prompts curls to quickly, all capital letters, they said, spring into action. Designed to deeply penetrate and enhance texture, helps hair to retain proper moisture balance, instantly revitalize hair strand to reveal the most optimal texture, helps to support growth and length retention, and minimizes frizz and improves hair overall integrity. So the directions on this says that after shampooing with their pink lemonade and coconut super antioxidant texture beautifier shampoo, apply a generous amount from roots to ends, massage gently into hair, especially ends, and distribute evenly. Cover with a plastic cap and process for 5 minutes, or for me, a grocery store bag. And rinse thoroughly with cool water. Style as usual. Use every 1 to 2 weeks for best results. Okay? So I'm excited to try that out, actually. And I'm really excited to try this out on Mark Anthony's hair. So if you haven't seen my other videos, Mark Anthony's my son. He's 5. He has a really cool afro going on. And he loves his afro and he loves to wear it out. So I'm excited to see how this affects his curls. So I'm really excited and I will let you guys know. So, sip. Please. Don't judge me. We drink. The second product in here that I have, okay, and guys, like these literally free. So shout out to the main I mean, these are full-size products. Like, are we seeing this? Look at my head. This is big as my head. Okay, these are not sample size, travel size products. So this is also pink lemonade and coconut, super antioxidant, texture beautifier. I picked conditioners because I don't really use shampoo for my hair. I just don't really. I mean, I co-wash. On occasion, I might like literally once a month shampoo my hair, but I don't actually really shampoo it. So I picked conditioners. So this is super antioxidant and texture beautifier conditioner, natural growth and retention solution, ready, set, curl. It says enhance with antioxidants to minimize potentially damaging oxidizing agents. So basically the same thing as the other thing. As longer lasting shine, strength, conditions, protects, improves elasticity and definition. It also says it's for curly, wavy, and kinky hair. So let's see what they have directions on here. Okay, so the directions on here say that after shampooing with pink lemonade and coconut super antioxidant texture beautifier shampoo, work thoroughly into wet hair. Massage gently to your hair, especially the ends. Leave in hair for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse well. So again, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no parabens, no sulfates, and no formaldehyde. So that's the second product, guys. Guide if you guys want to see it. And I'm going to list all the products like in the comment section below so you guys can check them out. Okay. So the third product that's in here is this, which I'm excited about. You know what? I should have smelled this because I'm curious to know what pink lemonade and coconut smells like together. That smells actually really good. Smell that. Right? It doesn't really smell as coconutty as I thought it would smell. Because sometimes coconut stuff is like really overwhelming. I feel like, you know what I mean, huh? Yeah, it's abrasive, right? My sister. Yes, extremely abrasive. And sometimes it just makes everything give me pina colada vibes and I don't like that kind of. So this actually smells really good. It's definitely giving me more on the lemonade side than it is on the coconut side. So this is fresh lemon and this is a kid's conditioner. So I got this obviously because I have a kid. And it's lemon, and it says rich supply of vitamin C, natural conditioner, and promotes shine. Makes wash days fast and fun. Gently cleanses the scalp and hair. Remove knots and tangles for all hair types. And this is a fruit medley fresh lemon kids conditioner. So it says super gentle on the hair and tough on tangles, promotes growth and retention, leaves hair feeling soft and tangle free, strengthens, hydrates, and moisturizes, minimizes split ends and breakage. So for directions on this, it says, and I'm like looking down because the light is kind of reflecting, these labels are like super metallic. So it says, after shampooing with juicy orange fruit medley kids shampoo, which I might have to get because that sounds amazing. Work thoroughly into wet hair, massage gently into the hair, especially the ends, leaving hair for 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse well. For best results, follow with green apple fruit medley detangling kids conditioner. That also sounds amazing. And just so you guys know that it says that we have the little bunny symbol here that is not tested on animals. Okay, so let's give this a smell. Ooh, that smells so good. That smells like a Starburst. That smells mad good. Doesn't it? It smells so good. Like, are you shitting me? I'm probably going to try this on my hair too. I know it says kids conditioner, but I'm totally trying it because that looks amazing. So I'm really excited actually about that because, yeah, anything that helps detangle Marc Anthony's hair, I'm all game for. So my last product, which I don't know if it can, I'm not sure. Well, they packaged it in the plastic bag, and good so, because it looks like, if you guys can see, it has leaked a little bit, and I'm not sure if that's from the bottle or if that's because it was probably like in transit and stuff like that. It came from Alabama, and I'm in New York. So this is the Mane Choice Natural Shine Polishing Mist. So I'm gonna pull it out of here, even though it's a little bit oh, but you know what? Feel that. Even though it like leaked a little bit, that does not feel greasy. That's so strange. Super lightweight. You might like this for your hair, bro, because that is like not heavy oil. You know what I mean? That's nice. If you look at it in the bag, I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks like it might be greasy, but when you touch it, it's like super light oil. So this is called the Mane Choice, the Natural Shine Polishing Mist. And it says it's enriched with jojoba and safflower seed oil, professional quality, thermal defense for all hair types. So it says the Natural Shine is dual action, professional quality polishing mist designed to add a natural shine to all styles, specially formulated to help shield your hair from heat appliances so you can enjoy your styles with confidence. Smooth frizz and flyaways, adds instant shine, finishes and refreshes your sleek and luscious look. For the directions on this, it says hold can 10 to 12 inches away from hair. Depress spray with quick uniform strokes for desired glossy finish. Brush and comb and reapply as needed. So it does say caution flammable, keep away from fire or flame, do not use while smoking. So if you smoke, don't be spraying this shit because you will catch on fire. Avoid spraying near eyes and keep out of reach of children. And it says no alcohol, parabens, or sodium chloride, UV, and thermal protectant. So again, like this one kind of leaked out a little bit, so you guys can see my hands. They are like a little bit shiny from it, but it's like so lightweight, guys, that it almost doesn't feel like anything. So I'm curious to know. Let me spritz your head real quick. Oh shit, it's shiny as hell. Oh my god, it's so shiny. That smells amazing. But it's not making your hair look greasy. My sister's hair is like super easy to get like more greasy because she has like a finer texture of hair. Oh, this is, oh, it's not screwed on all the way. Okay, that makes sense. So my sister's hair is like definitely a lot finer than mine's. It's thick, but it's a lot finer, so she has a tendency to get a lot greasier or anything like that if the oils are too heavy. And just from spraying it on her hair, she has a blowout right now, which is a couple days old or whatever, but it's not like weighing down her hair where it looks like it's like sunken in or it's looking like real slick and shiny. It just gives it like an appearance of shine. So yeah, you guys, basically this is kind of a short video because I just wanted to do an unboxing and I haven't really used these products yet, but I'm very excited to use them. So shout out to the Mane Choice. I'm really excited and thank you so much for sending me these products. I am looking forward to using them and loving them and definitely incorporating them into my routine of hair products. I like literally never expected them to send me 4 free products. Like I was really excited about that because I thought they were just going to send me maybe 1 free product if I even got selected. But the fact that I got 4 full-sized free products is amazing. So if you guys haven't already, definitely go out and check out the Mane Choice. I'm going to link the Instagram below because that's where I found the information to get these products. So if they do any more promotions, you guys can go ahead and kind of, you know, follow them and catch up with them and see if there's any more free stuff that they're giving out because it's amazing. If not, you can definitely catch their products at Target, Sally Beauty, and at Walmart as well, I believe. So yeah, again, I got this, which was the Polishing Shine Mist. I got Super Antioxidant Pink Lemonade and Coconut Conditioner. I got the Pink Lemonade and Coconut 5-Minute Reviving Mask. And I also got the Fresh Lemon Kids Conditioner. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I know I've been MIA off of YouTube. It's because I have a real job and it sucks. But yeah, so I'll be back. And definitely let me know what you guys are looking for when it comes to videos. And I feel like Mark Anthony right now. My son was totally recording YouTube videos or on his phone, and he literally sounds like me. So maybe he gets it from me. But
comment, subscribe.
Yeah, I know. He literally was like, comment and describe below, like subscribe, babe. But he's so cute. So you guys will definitely be seeing him on my channel. And my sister, when she finally gets enough motivation to get her ass from over here to over here, she'll also be on my channel. We will be recording some mukbangs soon. Probably tonight because we're about to grub and I'm so hungry. So anyways, that's it. That's all, you guys. People, not that anybody asked yet, but because people always ask where or what my earrings say, they say hello, and they are by Betsey Johnson, and I got them from Macy's. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Peace and love and hair grease and all that good shit. Peace out.